did he come so far to talk to me about?
I'm afraid Jiraiya boy has died in battle.
Well then, we'll simply have to keep our emotions in check. And to achieve that, I'd gladly risk my life.